Similar to the Danielson framework, the Marzano framework has separate elements, which are classified into 4 primary domains. Additionally, there are 10 guiding questions. For this presentation, I'll only be focusing on 3 of the 10. One of the most important questions in education, and one we'll address in this screencast, is how will I engage my students? So in a classroom where there's high levels of student engagement, you may see students participating in academic games. You'll see physical movement and transition from one activity to another. You'll also see interactive responses, personal whiteboards, fingers of 5, things where the students are actively engaged in responding. Some of the things that you might hear in this classroom would be students expressing different opinions about a topic, rather than just repeating what's already been stated. You'll see response chaining or building discussions, activities such as Socratic circles. You'll also see, and this is a struggle for many, and myself included, extended wait times during discussion. Rather than asking a question and moving on, you'll see students and teachers taking the time to process responses before answering. Another key question is, what will I do to establish or maintain classroom rules and procedures? Now, walking into a classroom that had strong rules and procedures, you would see physical organization, one that allows safe movement around the room for students and teachers. You would see minimal interruptions for those routine administrative tasks, the things that have to be done every day. Most importantly, you would see consistency. In this class, you would also hear respectful interactions among students and teachers. You'd hear students participating on task, and you'd hear bell-to-bell learning with very little downtime. What you wouldn't hear would be a lot of disruptions for general tasks. The final question is, what will I do to develop effective lessons organized into a cohesive unit? Now for this, you would see a clear unit focus, such as a topic or an area. You'd also see learning targets working toward or tying back to that focus, and you'd see well-defined routine components within the smaller lessons. You would hear teachers and students both referring back to and discussing the big picture of the unit. Students would be generating their own questions about the importance and the priorities of the elements. And most importantly, you'd hear references to how previous lessons build upon each other. The questions discussed in these screencasts should be used for instructional coaches to help guide teachers to improve their instruction.
That's all, folks.